Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech and Today we'll be doing a comparison of iPhone 13 Pro Max versus iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, when it was launched last year, the iPhone 13 Pro Max was the ultimate iPhone with the price to match. Yes, we said our iPhone 13 Pro Max review. It was the very best phone available, and this year has been improved even further. In the arrival of iPhone 15 Pro Max, the best iPhone that Apple has ever made. Many owners of the iPhone 13 Pro Max were therefore only wondering they should upgrade to 14 Pro Max. That's what this feature is designed to help them with, exploring everything that is new on Apple's 2022 flagship. Here's what you need to know. So iPhone 13 Pro Max versus iPhone 14 Pro Max release date is iPhone 13 Pro Max launched on September 21st and with a starting price of euros 1049 and dollars of 1099 and AU Australian dollars 1849 and 128 GB models rising to euros 1,549 euros and dollars 1,599 and euro Australian dollars 2,719 for the 1 TB model. So as we come to the rest of the iPhone ranges fixed prices, we have increased prices have increased in way. The 128 GB is now euros 1,199 and rising to 1,749 for the TB model. US customers will pay 1,999 for 128 TB and rising up to 1,599 for the maxed out 1 TB model. Pre-orders for the iPhone begins on September 9 with an availability of 16 September. Now let's go to the design.
iPhone 14 Pro Max versus iPhone 13 Pro Max design. External design hasn't changed much between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you look really closely, you will see that the camera bump on the back is very slightly larger, but the iPhone 13 Pro Max noise is gone and replaced by what is called Apple calls a dynamic island, and this is where the true depth camera and privacy indicator are located. And it will expand to become a notification area for things like connecting airports, seeing what music playing, knowing when your taxi is going to arrive, and so on. It's fun and effective, but might not be ideal for people with motion issues, so hopefully there will be an accessibility control to reduce its motion for those who need it. The other dramatic difference is that in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the display is always on. The always on display is there, which Samsung is always continue from the beginning, and it dims without losing skin tones if you have used photos of people as well as your wallpaper enables you to see your lock screen widgets as well as any active alerts for travel, sports, scores, and so on. Color options here are fairly sober: space black, silver, gold, and our current favorite, which is called deep purple, which Apple started from the Apple iPhone 12 series. Let's go to the camera comparisons.
So now the camera type 13 Pro Max has a triple lens 12 megapixel setup for the telephoto, wide and ultra wide cameras, apertures of f/2.8. For the telephone lenses f/1.5 and the wide lenses f/1.8 for the ultra wide, and there's 3 optical zoom and 2 into optical zoom out, and with digital up to 15 into night mode is powered by the LiDAR scanner, and in addition to optical image stabilization, there is a sensor shift image stabilization on the wide lens. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a camera that's significant upgrade. The main camera has now 48 megapixels quad pixel sensors that use pixel binning to place the pixel clusters of pixels that act as one to capture more light. This is the feature is so adaptive in a bright light you get the benefit of 48 MP resolution, but in a very low light you get 12 MP, and albeit 12 MP that's much clearer than any other phones, and that 48 MP is now available for Pro RAW shooting also. It is a higher resolution, means you'll be able to reframe the images post shootings without a significant loss of image quality. There's also a redesigned LED flash that's up to 2 times brighter than the just itself, according to the camera focal length. Apertures for the iPhone 14 Pro Max are f/1.78 on the main camera, f/2.2, and on the ultra wide and f/1.78 and f/2.8. The on the megapixel on the 12 megapixel 2 into and 3 into telephoto respectively, and for video there's a improved cinematic mode that is able to use in 4K and 30 FPS, and there's also 24 FPS to match movie making standards. That the new action movie promises gimbal style tracking of action shots without an actual gimbal, although surprisingly exclusive to the Pro and the Pro Max, but not available on iPhone 15.
iPhone 14 Pro Max was the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the performance and battery. The processor in the iPhone 13 Pro Max is offers A15 Bionic, a 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, 5 GPU cores and 16-core neural engine. iPhone 14 Pro Max gets a A16 Bionic, which once again is 6-core, but Apple says it's 40% faster than the closest competition. The 5 GPU cores have 50% more memory bandwidth than before, and the high performance cores use the 20% less power than in the A15 Bionic chipset. Let's go to the display comparison of the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus iPhone 14 Pro Max.
So now we display the screen type. The screen in the iPhone 13 Pro Max is 6.7 OLED Super Retina XDR, and as it is in the display iPhone 14 Pro Max. The new display is brighter up to 2000 nits outdoors and 1600 nits peak HDR, and this is the time around the refresh rate are adapted to 1 Hz to 120 Hz, which enables always on display, which is thinner border than before the aforementioned dynamic island for notification. They are static update. Just as before, there are 2 million contrast radius, D3 white color to 2 tone Dolby Vision and HDR and ProMotion. Now let's go to our verdict.
So what it is, we don't normally recommend any annual upgrades because the difference years on year are usually very dramatic, and but this time around they really are. Therefore, the new Max is a superb and still class leading smartphone, but the always on display, improved notification and vastly improved camera system in the iPhone 13 Max and 14 Pro Max is a very different beast to its predecessor. If you are not going to be shooting lots of photos or videos, and the recent upgrade are largely cosmetic, as nice as the always on lock screen is there, and it's hardly essential to iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Pro Max models were already more than fast enough for everyday operations, but if you want the ultimate iPhone for creative pros, then iPhone 14 Pro Max is a fantastic creative tool. That's a real comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max, and yeah. And to check out the iPhone 14 series review, the video will be right here. And for the S22 Ultra what's the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the video will be right here. My name is Johns.
I'm Daniel. Stay with us.
Bye.